Welcome. Today, we dive into how AI is revolutionizing software development, particularly in coding. But what exactly is code error prediction? It's the ability of AI to anticipate coding mistakes before they occur. This technology relies on advanced algorithms and models that learn from vast amounts of coding data to identify patterns. The benefits are significant. This AI saves time, reduces errors, and dramatically improves code quality. Many popular integrated development environments now support this AI, making it easier than ever to utilize the technology. However, there are limitations. This technology still faces challenges, including false positives and dependency on data quality. Let's look at real-life examples where developers have successfully utilized AI to predict and fix coding errors. What lies ahead? The future of coding with AI is bright, and we can only imagine the possibilities as this technology evolves. Don't wait. Start exploring AI tools for your coding projects today and see the difference it can make. To summarize, predictive AI in coding is a game changer. With its potential to enhance quality and efficiency, the future looks promising.